The practice of Shreem Brzee is going to be different in the Golden Age. Where the Golden Age is non-materialistic predominantly. But up until now, the world has been materialistic, only geared to material wealth. I've been saying frequently that wealth will be redefined in the Golden Age. Wealth is just not material wealth. It's spiritual wealth, or wealth of consciousness, of understanding, of knowing beyond matter, and that is how wealth is going to be defined in Golden Age. What's going to happen is people will understand merit or wealth not simply in terms of bank balance or the number of houses you have, the number of cars you have, but in terms of a permanent merit or wealth. And what is that going to be? That's going to be understanding, knowledge, and understanding even beauty. And that's going to be the nature of wealth in the Golden Age. The mantra itself will be redefined, just simply not only in terms of money and gold, but in terms of inner beauty, inner wealth. If we look at the mantra itself, Shreem Brzee, all the mantras are feminine in nature. It has compassion behind it, mercy, compassion, love, and creating. They are all creative in nature. So Shreem Brzee will adapt itself to the Golden Age just by moving from its materialistic connotation to a larger definition to include compassion, mercy, beauty. All these things will be the nature of Shreem Brzee itself. So when you practice Shreem Brzee, it's not only going to give you material wealth, but the primary goal of Shreem Brzee is not just bringing you wealth, material wealth, but the greater wealth of consciousness, of understanding, of knowledge, of seeing beyond matter. And matter only, the material wealth will be only a byproduct. So as you practice Shreem Brzee, then you will get what I call as 200% life, 100% material and 100% spiritual. That will be a balanced approach to wealth and life as it is. So Shreem will going to give you a permanent merit. What is permanent merit? Health is a permanent merit. Not just physical health, but also spiritual health. It will also give you psychological health, a beautiful relationship, because Shreem itself is a mantra that is completely full, completely without any flaw. So there will be flawless life. And that is what Golden Age promises us, a flawless life.